What's up, pretty gang? It's your favorite nail tech, Peaches. It's about 5:40 in the morning, and today I'm going to take you guys with me to work. How much do I make? How many clients do I take? All of that good stuff. Before we get into it, you guys make sure you're subscribed, turn notifications on, follow me on Instagram. Of course, join my broadcast channel so you can get direct messaging for all of my notifications. You guys, listen. Coupon codes, all of that in the description below. I see my analytics. I know y'all watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's like 20,000 of y'all that watch my videos every single week or more, okay? So, first things first, 9 a.m. She's come for a basic fill. It should take about an hour and a half. I'll let you know exactly how long it takes and how much she paid towards the end of her portion of the video. So, I wanted to come and talk to you guys today about affordable pricing. I posted some shorts in this format previously. Most of the comments are actually geared towards how ugly my duck nails are on myself and how people don't trust me because I wear duck nails. But then the other comments are saying how I am, oh wow, I'm so cheap. You know, people kind of laugh at my pricing, or they say I need to price more for what type of work that I do. And I'm here to say that I'm not ashamed of being an affordable priced nail tech. I feel like everybody should be able to afford something. I do not have the mindset that nails are of such luxury that you should be charging $200 for every set. I don't believe in that mindset because there are people that charge that much and their nails do not last. So I feel like it's, as much as people say charge your worth, I think there's a lot of people that are definitely overcharging and kind of just getting away with it. I have worked in nail shops, I've worked in nail salons, I've worked in men's salons, and you know, before there was not the luxury of you could just want to do nails tomorrow, you're gonna buy $300 worth of stuff online, and now you get to charge $70 or more on your first day as a beginner tech. That did not exist back when I started doing nails, therefore my mindset is a little bit differently, okay? Do not be ashamed if you are an affordable nail tech. I feel like if you're a beginner tech, your prices should reflect that because you do not know what you're doing. Like, that just comes down to the basics of it. I also feel like, I'm pretty wise with my money. I know how to spend for nails. I'm not the nail tech that is going to buy everything in a picture that you sent me because this is your inspo pic. I am the nail tech that's going to tell you, hey boo, you can take a look at what I have when you get here. Which honestly, that helps a lot, okay? I work pretty quickly. I'm full service, meaning I do everything from soak-offs to manicures, acrylic nails, everything in between. So I don't have to charge a lot for every set that I do because I'm always making money because I'm doing more services than just full sets, if you understand what I mean. So this particular client, it only took 49 minutes. $21 for the set plus $5 tip, that's $26, and she sent a deposit of $10 previously as well. So 10:30 a.m. deluxe big toe reconstruction pedicure should take an hour and a half. This client has been coming to me for quite a while and her toenails are in great condition now. She only gets the big toes done, okay? No, I don't wear gloves with pedicures. Oh, that is my alarm, so wake the fuck up. I don't like water in my gloves, and when you do pedicures, if you know, you know, water gets in the gloves every time. It's very uncomfortable. Your gloves rip. You have to keep washing your hands, keep getting new gloves. It's honestly just a fucking mess. So here I am scrubbing her down. This look like I'm giving her a little job, if you know what I'm saying. That's what I always think when I do pedicures, like, ooh, this is crazy. So we're gonna go ahead, prep her, throw some acrylic on the big toes. I consider this a reconstruction because the way her toes grow and some of the lifting that she has, it's not as straightforward. She also has the way her toenails grow is a little bit bulbous, so giving her the most natural result possible does take a little more effort maybe than on someone else, okay? So total time was about an hour and a half, $66 total, $5 tip, $71. She paid a $10 deposit as well. So 12 p.m. we're literally doing a soak off, which takes an hour. I believe I asked her to come 10 minutes later than her time, but I did. If I tell someone to come later, I tell them way ahead of time, so it wasn't anything last minute. But back to what I was saying and about this video. If you are doing a lot of services, every service doesn't have to cost you a lot. Everything does not have to be a lot of work with a lot of hours, because people are coming in for things like fills, things like soak-offs, okay? Also, it allows you to take more clients. I have a rotating clientele, which means I'm always booked, even if it's not just new people. People are coming for their maintenance, which is important. So this took an hour and 8 minutes. $5 plus $5 tips, that's $10, and she already paid her $10 deposit. $155. We're doing a soak off in a medium long non-basic set, which should take like 3 hours 40 minutes. So first things first, of course, you need to pop everything off. Baby, these charms didn't want to go nowhere. I had to get my big pliers, and it still took a minute to pop off. My client did get hurt the previous week before, so there's not going to be a nail on that one, but she still wanted to proceed with getting her nails done and just let that one grow out for the next couple of weeks. Yeah, like I was saying, when you do maintenance and keep your clients coming back, you will constantly have money in your pocket. Therefore, there's no need for me to charge out the ass for everything. I know a lot of nail techs don't do fills, they don't do removals, which that's your own personal choice. Healthy removal, by the way. Look at these. Healthy. That's your own personal choice. It's just when clients don't have the money to pay really high prices, then they're not going to be paying you at all. You get what I'm saying? So I'm able to have returning clients all the time, even new clients, because yeah, you can come for your original, but then also coming for your maintenance. You know, people are going to be paying, yeah, they're going to be paying way less, but they're still paying nonetheless. You see what I'm saying? So those are things to take in consideration when doing your pricing. I would also say just watch how you're spending, because a lot of times if you feel like you're not making money, or you feel like you're constantly charging more, you're spending too much. I mean, yeah, nail supplies can be pricey, but I've been doing nails for 5 years, and I'm gonna be honest, it's not really that much pricier than it used to be. But if you're going out of your way to continuously buy for things that you don't actually need, or if you're buying stuff every time a person sends you an inspo pic, then yeah, it's pricey. But I personally don't feel like you should be charging clients for that, because that's your own preference. You wanted to buy that stuff, and I don't think it's necessarily fair to basically you're charging clients to make your money back for things that you purchased, when in reality you just bought a bunch of bulk stuff that you don't know is going to get used, and it didn't get used. And so yeah, you know what I'm saying? I don't think clients don't need to be charged because, oh, I bought this gel lamp, and it doesn't make sense to me personally. Okay, so this ended up taking 3 hours 40 minutes, $111 with no tip, but she did pay a $10 deposit. My 5:40 p.m. overlay fill, it should take about an hour and 5 minutes. She was scheduled for like 7:20, and I brought her in at 5:40 because I had the extra time in the day. So her $20 deposit, which was for a squeeze-in, fully applies to this appointment. So for those of you guys, when I say, hey, she paid this much deposit, just know that's an extra amount of money that I got, just not that this day. So when I say the total, I'm talking about what they paid today. But keep in mind, they already paid me an extra $10 or $20 for the previous deposit. Okay. So yeah, when you're making your prices, just keep in mind all of these little things, because it is going to, in the long run, make or break you. You want to give people wiggle room for, you know, your regulars or something when they're down on harder times. Have services that they can book that just don't cost a million bajillion dollars. Okay, so I don't have no shame in having reasonable, affordable prices. It's going to allow me to continue to grow and charge as I please as I keep going in this industry. Okay, so this took 45 minutes, $19 total with $285 tip, $21, and of course $20 deposit. Hope you guys enjoyed this format of video. I look forward to doing more. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and as usual, I'll see you in the next video.